Today I'm gonna show you how I made 300 bucks in only 2 seconds dumping on snipers on photon. This method I discovered not so late ago. Like, this is really fresh, anybody can do it, and yeah, it's pretty easy. So let's go. Basically, this bot is the seller bot. This bot sells any token it detects in your wallet, which prevents sniping of your photon launch. Basically, this bot sells any token it detects in your wallet. In 2 seconds, 3 seconds, you can set this up. Anyways, so all you gotta do is start the bot, continue. So there's 4 steps. First step, import the private key of your wallet you're using as a developer. So basically, all you gotta do is import the wallet. Please send your what? Hold on. Okay, I just imported the private key. There we go. Successfully imported wallet. So basically, all you gotta do is set it as activated, like that. So yeah, now you can go ahead and launch your new token. There we go, start a new coin, and like, go with something kinda unique, but still in the meta of the day. This is the best strategy I found recently. You gotta go with something snipers would like to ape in, because these snipers basically use some kind of filter that filters out some specific keywords. So like, if you're gonna like launch a token about Elon Musk or about any like huge name on crypto, basically they're gonna snipe. Alright, so like you see, 700 bucks into 1k. This is 300. Basically, I'm the first top holder. I mean the top trader. 300 bucks in literally 2 seconds. So yeah, this is pretty easy. Very simple strategy, but very effective. The key thing is making tokens that is sniperable. The key thing is making tokens that is basically attracts the snipers. And this is how you can make it. Like, if 2 snipers get in, you can come out with 300 bucks. Pretty easy. All you have to do is try it out and see for yourself. Basically, the bot link will be in the description below. You can go ahead and like search for it, like seller sold / bot. Yep. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Very easy method, very simple and very effective. This is how I made this 5k right here, just from this method. So yeah, all you gotta do is try it out and see for yourself. Tell me in the comments below how that went, and yeah, see you in another video.